Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure software deployment process with Jenkins step-by-step clear. Begin by defining your deployment goals. Identify the environments you need for deployment, such as development, staging, and production. Ensure you have Jenkins installed and configured on your server. Create a new Jenkins job for your deployment process. Select the appropriate job type based on your needs, such as freestyle or pipeline. Add source code management details to pull your application code from a version control system. Configure build triggers to automate the deployment process. Set up the build environment to ensure all necessary dependencies are installed. Develop a build script that includes steps to compile, test, and package your application. Incorporate security checks into your build process, such as static code analysis. Define your deployment strategy, whether it's blue-green, rolling, or canary deployments. Set up post-build actions to notify team members of the deployment status. Add steps to deploy your application to the target environment. Implement environment configuration management to handle settings specific to each environment. Integrate Jenkins with monitoring tools to track application performance post-deployment. Test your deployment process in a staging environment to ensure it runs smoothly. Use versioning to keep track of deployed builds. Create rollback strategies to revert to previous versions if needed. Document your deployment process for future reference and team training. Regularly review and update your deployment pipeline to adapt to new requirements. Conduct security audits periodically to ensure your process remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.